of Lagos, Idris Okuneye, popularly known as Bobrisky, finally reacts to the viral video of a Nigerian content creator, Egungun of Lagos, whose real name is Kuye Adegoke. Bobrisky slammed the mystery woman who was filmed having a video chat with the content creator. Prior to the leaked video, Egungun's wife had gone online to claim that someone was trying to blackmail her with a private video of her husband. She added that her husband has never cheated on her and the video was recorded for her. But the blackmailer went ahead to leak the video and it shows Egungun showing his private part to another woman during a video call. Reacting, Bobrisky accused the mystery woman of recording the call and leaking the video. Bobrisky, who recently got into trouble with Nigerian authorities over leaked voice notes of him purportedly spilling secrets to a friend, vowed to cut off everyone from Nigeria due to the habit of recording calls. The crossdresser also questioned the motive behind releasing the video and asked if it's to make his wife leave the marriage. Only a fool will leave his SIC man for that nonsense, Bobrisky wrote. Bobrisky also advised Egungun's wife, writing, "This time, you should love him more." Being the latest celebrity whose nude video recently leaked, Nigerian social media users and critics says his man member isn't mercy and blames his wife for supporting his cheat scandal. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.